Hi, I'm Patrick McCarthy with Bay Bridge Manufacturing. I have a 12-foot box truck parcel delivery van on a Ford Econoline series chassis here today. Go over a couple of different features that we have set up. Parcel delivery is obviously very large. Who doesn't order with Amazon anymore? They're having to subcontract out as well. So this is really what we have as our focus for them. 12-foot being the easiest application for drivers to use. We've got secured swinging doors here, used with metal backer, and they're a slam latch door to shut them out. The nice thing about this is inside and outside access, along with key locking capabilities. Inside the body, you'll see that we use 1/2-inch thick fiberglass reinforced plywood material. We have a flush sill plate so we don't have any trip hazards. We've upfitted this with a shelving package that we have in various depths and lengths. And they are FedEx-approved if you're a FedEx subcontractor. I'm displaying a brand new LED light inside the body on the roof. This is a 2500 lumen light. You can get multiple of those inside the actual truck itself. And one of the nice safety features I have on the floor is our floor is going to be a dense shiplap pine floor, but I've done an overlay with a rubber grip on it. So even when it's wet, you should be able to safely get in and out and your packages won't slide around as much. And this is just a RV style door. I have a couple different styles I can do on it. A traditional bar lock door, which you can only open from the outside, but is definitely one of the most secure versions, or a pocket door that actually opens on the inside of it like you'd find on a step van. To do that, you'd have to go out to a minimum 14-foot length. This option is what we call our wind fairing, and it's got a headliner on it. It allows you to do a 5-foot door. This one has a locking door, so you can secure the cargo area from the cab as well. I can build this on the Transit. There's some different tweaks that we'd have to do, and I work with all the major American OEMs.